Panama is the only place in the world where you can see the sun rise on the Pacific and set on the Atlantic. The famous Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Panama's currency is the balboa, which is pegged to the US dollar. Panama City is the only capital city in the world with a rainforest within its city limits. Panama has a tropical climate with only 2 seasons, wet and dry. The official language of Panama is Spanish. Panama is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including sloths, jaguars, and monkeys. The country is known for its coffee production, particularly in the Boquete region. Panama has a rich indigenous history, with 7 different indigenous groups still living in the country. The San Blas Islands off the coast of Panama are known for their crystal-clear waters and white sand beaches. Panama gained independence from Colombia in 1903 with the help of the United States. The Panama Canal was completed in 1914, revolutionizing global trade. Panama City is a bustling metropolis with a mix of modern skyscrapers and historic colonial buildings. The country has a strong tradition of folk music and dance, including the lively tamborito. Panama is a popular destination for bird watching, with over 970 bird species found in the country. The vibrant market of Mercado de Mariscos in Panama City is a must-visit for seafood lovers. Panama is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, with dense rainforests and pristine beaches. The Panama hat is actually from Ecuador, but it gained global fame when worn by workers on the Panama Canal. Panama has a strong baseball tradition and has produced many major league players. The Panamanian golden frog is a national symbol and is considered a good luck charm. The Cuna people of Panama are known for their intricate molas, which are colorful textiles made using a reverse applique technique. The Coiba National Park in Panama is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to a diverse range of marine life. Panama has a growing craft beer scene, with local breweries producing unique and delicious beers. The Panama Canal Zone was under U.S. control until 1999, when it was handed back to Panama. Panama is a popular retirement destination for expats from the United States and Canada. The Darien Gap, a dense and dangerous jungle at the border of Panama and Colombia, is one of the few breaks in the Pan-American Highway. Panama is considered a tax haven, attracting many offshore companies and investors. The annual carnival celebrations in Panama are a colorful and lively affair, with parades, music, and dancing. Panama is home to the Embra people, an indigenous group known for their traditional way of life and intricate basket weaving. The Panama Canal expansion project was completed in 2016, allowing larger ships to pass through the canal. Panama is a popular destination for sport fishing, with world-class fishing grounds off its coast. The Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama conducts important research on tropical ecosystems and biodiversity. The Panama Railway, built in the 19th century, was the first transcontinental railway in the Americas. Panama is a biodiversity hotspot, with over 10,000 plant species and 1,500 tree species found in the country. Panama is home to the Baru volcano, the highest peak in the country at 3,474 meters. The Panama Canal generates over $2 billion in revenue for the country each year. The Gunayala region of Panama is known for its pristine beaches and vibrant coral reefs. Panama is a top destination for adventure tourism, with activities like zip-lining, whitewater rafting, and hiking. Panama has a rich culinary history, with influences from indigenous, Spanish, African, and Caribbean cuisines. The Panama Papers, leaked in 2016, revealed widespread tax evasion and money laundering by the world's elite. Panama has a strong tradition of folk art, including wood carvings, ceramics, and textiles. The Panama Canal Authority manages and operates the canal, overseeing its maintenance and security. Panama City's Casco Viejo neighborhood is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its colonial architecture and vibrant nightlife. Panama is a strategic location for international shipping and trade, serving as a key link between North and South America. The Chiriquí province in western Panama is known for its lush highlands, coffee plantations, and charming towns. Panama is known for its colorful festivals and celebrations, including the Diablos y Congos in Portobello. Panama is one of the safest countries in Central America, with low crime rates compared to its neighbors. The Panama Canal Zone was a U.S.-controlled territory from 1903 to 1979, with its own government and laws. Panama has a strong carnival tradition, with each region celebrating in its own unique way. The Soberania National Park in Panama is a biodiversity hotspot, with over 500 bird species and 105 mammal species. Panama is home to the Panama red strawberry, prized for its sweet flavor and vibrant red color. The Panama Canal Authority employs over 10,000 workers, including engineers, pilots, and maintenance crews. Panama has a colorful maritime history, with tales of pirates, treasure ships, and naval battles. The archipelago de Las Perlas off the coast of Panama is a popular destination for snorkeling and diving. Panama City Cinta Costera is a waterfront promenade popular with joggers, cyclists, and families. Panama is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Americas. The Panama Canal Museum in Panama City tells the story of the canal's construction and impact on the country. Panama is a top destination for surfing, with world-class breaks along its Pacific and Caribbean coasts. The Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama conducts important research on coral reefs, mangroves, and tropical forests. Panama is known for its diverse cuisine, with dishes like ceviche, sancocho, and tamales.